We did some research underwater, then picked the perfect spot and built a fun underwater setup. Using machines, we slowly created a full house down there. Now you can literally sit inside and watch ocean fish swimming around you. Watch till the end. It's gonna be awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Keep watching. The video only gets better from here. You're gonna love what's coming next, so don't miss a second. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe,